Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Today we are making hash browns with chili. Okay, so I got this little budget off-name brand hash browns, okay? I know you do not need a tutorial on how to get these from here to here. Okay, so we're going to start the oven for 350, and then we're going to bake these for like 15 minutes, okay? You may also want to turn them over, but we are browning these, okay? Okay, while your hash browns are in your oven browning, I put 2 cans in my pot to warm up while those are browning, okay? And you could, use serving size according to your family, okay? Like if there's just one of you, just use a few of the hash browns and 1 can of chili. Okay, so warm them up while that is baking. Okay, friends, let's add, I did flip these over. Now let's just add some cheese to them. My cheese is melting in the oven. This is nice and hot. I have to tell you, this is the easiest meal that you could make. And then you can top it with anything that you like to put your chili on. And if you have leftover chili, this will even taste more amazing. And this is easy. It is budget friendly. You're going to like this. Okay, now this is what it looks like with the cheese all melted on it. Our next step is grab you a patty. And then you're going to want to put your chili on it. However much chili that you like. Then I'm going to grab another one. See that? Just throw it right on there. You throw more chili. See that? Just like that. And this is what it looks like. I put shredded cheese on top with some onions and then some sour cream. And then I hit it with some sriracha because I love sriracha. So I want a taste of all of it. I know that it is hot. I'm trying not to make a mess here also. This is so easy, simple, budget friendly, very few ingredients. You don't even have to put all the toppings on it, or use your favorite toppings. So comment below, what are your favorite toppings that you would put on it? Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. Most of all, friends, keep on cooking. I love you all.